Hey guys, welcome to Mob Compromise guys. In this episode of the Mob Compromise, I'm going to do the review of the Dell Inspiron 15R-5521. Yeah guys, but before, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video and share this video and press the bell icon for more future updates like this one. Yeah guys, first of all, starting off with the design. The laptop is made up of the metal. The back of the laptop is made up of the metal and it has a good weight. The laptop is heavy. As you can see, it's looking from the pictures, the laptop looks heavy, and the back is made up of metal with a Dell logo at the center, which increases the beauty of the laptop. Yeah guys, in the front, the laptop is also made up of the metal and the keyboard is made up of the plastic. The screen is also made up of the plastic and the screen bezels are also made up of plastic. Yeah guys, as you can see, the sides of the laptop sides are made up of plastic with a layer of metal on it. The sides are made up of plastic, but they have a thin layer of metal around them. Yeah guys, as you can see in the build of the laptop, starting off, come to the sides. As we can see, we have a charging port, a fan, a HDMI, a internet cable and 3 USB 2 ports with the headphone jack. Better than iPhone 7. Yeah guys, on this side we have a USB and a CD writer, DVD writer and reader. As you can see, when I click on the CD writer, it just opened. As we can see, we have a CD in it, which is, as we can see, which was spinning. It's working perfectly fine. But the main problem is that after the 5 years of usage, the CD writer is not working properly. It can't read the CD, but it can write the CD or DVD. Yeah guys, coming to the front of the display, as you can see, there is a Dell logo which increases the beauty of the laptop while watching movies, etc. Yeah, as you can see, we have the Dell logo in the middle of the laptop, which also increases the beauty. We have a webcam which has a good quality of recording, and as we can see, the build of the laptop. This laptop was announced in 2013 by the Dell. It has a Intel Core chip i5 3rd generation Radeon graphics card with a good battery. But after 3 years of usage, the battery timing is 30 minutes, which is very dumb. Yeah guys, coming to the front of the means, we have a micro card and 4 LED lights for, as we can see, for a switch on, battery and a Wi-Fi for a Wi-Fi. We can see the logo of the stickers here. As we can see, we have a Radeon graphics, a Intel processor and a window. This laptop comes with the Windows 8 and Windows Ubuntu depending upon the region. And this side we can see we have a HDMI cable for means connecting with display, a internet cable and 3 USB 2.0 ports. It does not support any fast charging and it charge up in 3 or 4 hours fully charged. No, in means in 1 or 2 hours. Yeah guys, as you can see, we have a little trackpad here. The key travel means the trackpad is very small and the button placement is not good. Mean it is a old trackpad, but the trackpad is not good and the key travel is too much. In this laptop it has a good keyboard. Yeah, as you can see, we have a display of 720. Means 720p. The display is not good and there is a flex in the display while closing the display. And as you can see, we have a problem while shutting down. After 5 years it come on mine. Yeah guys, if you think for buying this laptop, this is a good choice to buy this laptop. But in this 2018, I think you can save some money and buy its new version. Yeah, you can buy this laptop in means $200 or $300 in price range, and this is very good. I am editing this video in 180p on this laptop, I think, and video editing is running fine on this laptop. Yeah guys, if you want to buy this laptop, I suggest you that you can buy the laptop. Is good looking and it's good built, and but if you have little bit more money, then save it and buy a new good laptop. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates and press the bell icon. Yeah guys, talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.